welcome to Manu's Medley. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ghee using an instant pot. With this instant pot method, ghee making process is not only simpler, it's a lot quicker and there is no spillage on your countertops. You don't have to bother about any burns to the ghee or to your vessel, and you will get an aromatic ghee with very minimal residue. Let me show you how. Today I am going to use Medley's unsalted butter. I have tried Kirkland and Great Value butters as well. The ghee made using Great Value butter developed a weird smell within a month. So I always prefer either Medley or Kirkland butter to make ghee. Ghee made with these butters lasts fresh for months together. You might have come across few other videos in which they dump butter into an instant pot and pressure cook to make ghee. When I tried that method, all that I got after pressure cooking is just the melted butter. What they don't show in such videos is the next step where we have to further cook the melted butter to get ghee. So instead, try this method, you will get ghee without much hassle. In this video, I'll take you through minute by minute and tell you what to expect. I loaded the butter into the instant pot and switched on the saute mode for 20 minutes. In under a minute, you will notice the butter starts to melt. And in 6 minutes, 2/3 of the butter gets melted. After 9 minutes, as you see now, the butter is completely melted and it starts to develop froth. Actually, you don't have to use even a spatula. I am using it to show you how the butter is doing. The butter takes approximately 10 minutes to start boiling. So meanwhile, let me show you the containers I use for storing ghee. You can use any glass container like this mason jar for storing large batches. Steel containers are also good. I am going to use this glass bottle today. Let us weigh this bottle first. As a thumb rule, for every kilogram of butter, we make approximately 700 to 800 grams of ghee. This bottle weighs 415 grams. I have used 950 grams of butter today, so we should be getting around 600 grams of ghee. I shall weigh and show you how much ghee we made at the end of this video. Well, the time I mentioned, 20 minutes, is only for 950 grams of butter. If you are using more quantity of butter or if it is frozen, then remember the entire process will take more time. When you are making for the first time, when the butter reaches boiling stage, start checking frequently for the sediment. If the sediment is in white color, it is the indication that 90% of the process is done and you can switch off the instant pot. Remove the instant pot vessel and leave it outside. Heat from the vessel is sufficient to complete the process. The ghee will bubble up for a couple of minutes and finally all the bubbles will vanish, leaving behind our liquid gold. Allow it to completely rest and transfer ghee into your containers. Whatever quantity of butter you use, you should be able to make perfect ghee if you follow this method. I have been making ghee by stovetop method. Comparatively, it takes more time, constant stirring, and if you aren't attentive, it will spill over and the base of the vessel will burn. And even that process leaves double the amount of sediment. As you see here, the sediment as a result of this process is very less. Since I started using instant pot method, I prefer this method anytime. 1090 grams. Less 415 grams of bottle weight leaves us with 675 grams, which is the ideal amount. I hope you found this video useful. Check my channel for more such videos and don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. I'll meet you soon in another video. Until then, bye-bye.